Hi, it's Graham here at 2cvtools.com, and today I'm going to show you how to overhaul a Citroen CX front top arm, suspension arm. And we need some special tools, as most jobs on Citroens need special tools, and this is a collection of them. We need a hammer and a copper hammer. We need a slide hammer. On the slide hammer goes a expanding puller. You can't buy these anymore. I've had to make these. They're made of very high tensile steel, and you can hear the quality of the steel. That's a good ring to it. We have a pin that fits inside here, and when this screws on, this here is the pulling face. When it goes into the bearing to pull it out, this will compress and expand again behind it. And then what we do is we tighten this up with a nut at the back here and the flats on this tool. Tighten it up and expand it with the pin so it's tight behind the inner bearing, the cone, and then we'll pull it out. We need a drift to knock the carrier shaft out. We need these here in conjunction with this to pull the bearings in and get everything into position. And we need a special measuring device, which will show you how this works in a bit. And you need a digital vernier micrometer, vernier gauge. Something that measures 150 mil. So that's your tool set. Now we're going to try to overhaul the top arm, get everything out, and we'll put it all back together again.